Hi, I'm Mark Lucian, Head of Reference at the Wirt Library. I'm here today to tell you about an exciting service available through the Bay County Library System, the RBdigital magazine collection. RBdigital lets library patrons digitally check out popular magazines for free with their library card. To use RBdigital, visit the BCLS website and choose RBdigital under the Digital Collections tab. If this is your first time using RBdigital, you must first set up an account by clicking Create an Account and entering your library card number and choosing a username and password. Once you have set up a username and password, you may now log in from now on by clicking the Login button and entering your username and password. RBdigital has a great selection of over 2,600 magazine titles. Magazine titles are displayed by popularity, but you may also browse the collection using the genre preselects. Or you may also search directly for a specific title. To check out a magazine, click on the cover of the magazine and choose between current issue or the available back issues. Click the checkout button and the issue is automatically checked out to your account. You could either choose to keep browsing or start reading the magazine immediately. To page through the magazine, click the arrows at either side of the screen. You may also choose to browse the table of contents by clicking the Table of Contents button and paging through the articles. RBdigital lets you check out magazines for as long as you like. To view all your checkouts in your collection, click the My Collection button. If you choose to delete a magazine, simply click on the trash can icon and hit OK. RBdigital is also available as a mobile app for your tablet or smartphone. Simply download the app from the App Store of your choosing and sign in using your username and password. I hope you found this tutorial useful and happy reading.